Hello, my lovely 8th graders. Today we are going to talk about evolution again. Now remember, there are two different types of evolution. We have geological evolution and we have biological evolution. What you need to understand is that geo means land. Think of if you study geography, you're studying the land. We know that evolution means change. Again, it's usually gradual. It's not something that happened overnight. So if you put those two things together, geological evolution is the gradual change of the land. And I put a little picture of Pangea because that is one of the examples of geological evolution. Okay, some examples and things to think about if you are thinking about geological evolution could be like Pangea, which are plate tectonics, the law of superposition. So think about some of your faults and things switching up. Ice cores, which show the change in atmosphere over time. We get to also talk about weathering and erosion. Then we have biological evolution. We know that bio means life. So if you read a biography, you read a story about somebody's life. Some examples of biological evolution that you guys should be familiar with is we have the giraffe, whose neck over time became longer and longer to be able to reach the plants. We also have, Darwin's finches. He noticed that all these finches had very different beaks, and they had these different beaks based on what they eat to help them be able to eat certain things better. Okay, another part that goes with evolution that you guys have been struggling with is natural selection. So I'm going to try to make this simple for you guys as well. So first you need to understand that there's a variety of traits, okay? So that's why some of us, like I have red hair. That is a variety of my trait, where you might have black hair or blonde hair or brown hair. It's a variety of our traits, okay? So in this example I show in the picture, some beetles are green and some are brown. So, they usually like, let's say the birds, they are only eating the green beetles. So what that means then is that the brown beetles, they are still alive. Because they're still alive, they're going to reproduce because they are carrying that brown beetle trait. As they keep reproducing, there's going to be more and more brown beetles. Okay, so there's hereditary. So the surviving brown beetles have brown baby beetles because the trait has a genetic basis. So again, that's because they outlived the green ones. They're going to keep making the babies. So in the end, it's better to be a brown beetle because the birds aren't going to eat you, and then you'll be able to continue to make babies to continue on the brown beetle population. Okay. So another thing you guys just need to understand is that natural selection, that is what produces adaptations. I hope it helped. It really takes forever for this thing to pop up.